Hello, friends. Last week, while I was busy recuperating and trying to prepare for the reunion, we dashed to Burbank, which is where my high school was, and took a few pictures. But while we were there, we decided let's have lunch at Bob's Big Boy. Now, I know I've done posts before about Bob's Big Boy, but one thing you might not know is that it is a spot for antique car enthusiasts on Friday night. And it has a reputation of entertaining and encouraging guests who have vintage cars to come and park and have a little car show every Friday night. So we were there on a Friday, and I thought I would give you a flavor of the history of the car show at Bob's Big Boy. Check out the cars in the parking lot today.